Grouping objects allows us to make changes to a selection of shapes with one single operation. This can be useful if you have a multi-part design and you would like to resize it. For example, I have this lovely love heart design here, which is made up of several individual parts. As you can see, if I drag a selection box over them, there is a bounding box around each shape, meaning they are individual shapes. I would like to group those, however, and not weld them. This is the key difference. If you weld something, it fuses it together permanently, whereas if you group it, it will temporarily collect them together to act as one shape. To do this, we use the shortcut key G on our keyboard, press it once to group, as you can see here, and again to ungroup, like that. So once I have the collection of shapes grouped together, I can resize them and I can rotate them all together. As you can see, that's handy for editing multiple shapes that make up one design, or indeed for laying out your shapes to get better use of the cardstock that you will be using to create your project.